Sophisticated criminals used an online service provided by the IRS to gain access to personal tax information from more than 100,000 taxpayers. These include tax returns and other tax documents that were filed in previous years. This is a service that's been around for a while. It's called Transcript. You can go online and you have to provide a lot of personal information, and it allows you to get copies of old tax returns. You might need that kind of information if you're applying for a mortgage or applying for college aid. Now, what made this unique is that the criminals, they needed to have a lot of personal information about these people in order to get in the first place. They already had their social security numbers and their dates of birth, as well as their addresses and the tax filing status for them. Now, the IRS believes that they wanted this information to help them file false tax returns and claim fraudulent tax refunds in the future. There has not been any major breaches at the IRS up until now. And in fact, the IRS is resisting the use of the word breach because they're saying it wasn't like hackers did this. These people already had information and they simply went into the online service and used it. Now, if you think about it, 100,000 taxpayers sounds like a lot. More than 140 million people filed tax returns this year. And even with this transcript service, about 23 million people used it to get transcripts last year. So the IRS is going to notify all of the taxpayers involved. It appears that these thieves attempted to access about 200,000 accounts, and they were successful in 100,000. All 200,000 people will be notified, and the IRS says that they are going to provide a credit watch service for the 100,000 people whose information was actually accessed.